Hello, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to kickstart your solo travel journey in the captivating land of India. Number 1. Choosing your destinations. India is a treasure trove of experiences waiting for you. From the serene mountains of the Himalayas to the bustling cities of Mumbai and Delhi, there's something for everyone. Research and pick destinations that resonate with your interests and travel style. Number 2. Planning your itinerary. Planning is key to a successful solo trip. Outline your travel dates, destinations, and activities. Leave room for spontaneity, but having a basic plan ensures you make the most of your time. Number 3. Packing essentials. Pack smart and light. Include essentials like comfortable clothing, a versatile jacket, travel adapters, a first aid kit, and necessary medications. Don't forget to pack a positive attitude and an open mind. Number 4. Accommodations and budgeting. Accommodations play a big role in your experience. Opt for budget-friendly options like hostels, guest houses, or even couch surfing. This not only saves money but also opens doors to meeting new people. Number 5. Cultural etiquette. Respect the local culture by dressing modestly, understanding customs, and learning a few basic phrases in the local language. A little effort goes a long way in building connections. And there you have it, your roadmap to an unforgettable solo adventure in India. Remember, this journey is about self-discovery, growth, and making connections with both the country and yourself. Thank you for joining me on this virtual journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures.